Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to post on Snapchat Spotlight from Camera Roll. The first thing you need to do is to open your Snapchat. Then at the bottom you're going to go over to camera and tap on it. Then you're going to tap on the media icon just on the left of the white circle. Then at the top you can see home, camera roll and other options. We want to make sure we're under camera roll and then we're going to select our video. Then next you can tap on send to. And then on this page you can put in some description to our video. Then you're going to tap on Spotlight. After tapping on Spotlight, you're going to tap on the send icon. When you do this, you're going to see the option at the top, sending. Then at the top left corner, you're going to tap on your profile icon. It's going to show you your video because that's what you just did. Tap on it. And then when you scroll down, you can see Spotlight and Snap. It's currently processing, and when it's done, it will be available in your Spotlight and Snap map. So this is how to post on Snapchat Spotlight from Camera Roll.